3 ways to see your design, each built for a different purpose. 2D plan is your precision workspace. This is where you draw walls, place furniture, and fine-tune dimensions. Scroll to zoom, drag to pan, and use the grid and alignment guides to keep everything perfectly positioned. 3D global gives you the full picture. Scroll to zoom, drag to orbit around your design, and hold shift while dragging to pan. Here you can drag furniture into place, apply materials, and preview how everything looks together. First person lets you walk through your space at eye level. Use W, A, S, D, or the arrow keys to move, and the mouse to look around. You can also click anywhere on the ground to move there, just like in Google Maps. From the camera panel, adjust the field of view and eye height to match your perspective. This view is for exploration only. You can't edit here, but you'll see exactly what your guests will experience. Switch between views anytime using the buttons in the top bar. Plan in 2D, style in 3D, experience in first person. Use all 3 to bring your design to life.